impression ko. Ikaw po. Paalis na.
Good luck! 4 years ago, I was just as lost. Pero habang tumatagal, marami akong natutunan. Hindi lang about nursing, kundi pati na rin sa buhay. Our Lady of Fatima really teaches you more than just skills. Tinuruan ako maging responsable, maging totoo, at maging mapaglingkod kahit sa simpleng paraan. Our Lady of Fatima formed me holistically. Mind, heart, and soul. Dito ko natutunang respetuhin yung pagkakaiba ng tao, na kahit iba-iba kami ng pinanggalingan, deserve namin lahat matuto at mag-grow. I learned how to lead not by being the loudest, but by being the most compassionate. Mas natuto akong tumindig sa tama kahit mahirap. Tinuruan ako nito mag-serve hindi lang dahil required, kundi dahil may halaga ang bawat tulong na binibigay mo. Outreach, duty, peer teaching, kahit pakikinig lang minsan, it all matters. I found what it means to live with respect, to make decisions with integrity, to commit to service, and to always strive for excellence. Even on days na gusto ko nang sumuko. I may not be a perfect student, pero I grew, slowly, deeply, and with a purpose. Ang bilis. Napakabilis ng lahat. Napakaraming aral, saya, at pagod na sabay-sabay kong dinala. And now, I am living as someone who's ready to serve the world with the values na tinuro sa akin ng paaralang ito. This is where a talent begins. And this is where it ends beautifully.